Okay, so my name is Rajiv, and I work with Udyog Software as a Chief Business Officer. And so we've been in the industry for 23 years, and we've been building tax automation software. We've started building billing software for excise traders way back in 1991 in Mumbai Masjid area, and now we have grown to a situation where we are serving around 25,000 clients across India. And we also have some large enterprises in our kitty as we speak, and we partnered with large firms in order to help businesses migrate to GST smoothly. So that's a short introduction about what we do and what I am.
Brilliant. So, since you have touched upon the topic that you guys are serving to the large scale industries, but when it comes to small scale industries, what are the challenges that those small scale industries faces right now?
So the primary, it's not just small scale industry, but for any business, the primary challenge come GST is basically preparedness. Right? Now, specifically talking about SMEs, if to refine your question, if the question is how do I be prepared for GST in the next 30 days, right? So the answer to that is the onus is not just on your tax consultant or on the software that you're purchasing, but the onus is on you and your consultant as well. I'll explain why. Right? For example, come GST, every month you are supposed to file your invoices, file your transactions on a monthly basis, and that too before 10th, right? And this kind of requests uh, will be posed to your consultant or your chartered accountant by every other customer, right? So if you go to your tax consultant or chartered accountant on 9th or 8th of the next month to file your GSTR1, so that is going to be next to be impossible for your chartered accountant or tax consultant to do that. So it is your onus to basically be in a situation to provide data to your consultant at a pre-agreed upon date so that he will be able to file your taxes. So that is one. So choosing the right software. So what is it that you have to choose? Do you have to choose an ESP with 101 features, or do you just have to buy a simple invoicing system which will help you upload data or give data easily to your chartered accountant? So that is some kind of an awareness that SMEs will have to imbibe in them in order to get ready for the GST. So you still have, though GST is launching on 1st of July, you still have 30 days to file the first return. But in the next 30 days, what are the three things that you need to do? One, update your business items, which is basically HSN codes and supply masters. Two, identify a way to give data to your tax consultant on time. Three, identify the right compliance solution for yourself. These are the three things that each and every SME needs to do in order to get ready for GST.
So, you may say that if you have the correct tool to face this issue, then this can't be issue anymore.
This
Is
can't be
what
an issue
you're
anymore.
saying.
So, like I said, right? So though the GST regime attracts many complexities, at the same time it is not too difficult to solve these complexities. All you need to do is basically take time, maybe cope with these complexities for the next 3 months, and then the system is going to stabilize organically, automatically.
Great. And lastly, just share your thoughts on this initiative taken by Economic Times, because this is the first time we are doing something in the SME space.
In fact, I have seen very few events in the SME space. In the last, because of this GST transition, in the last few months, I've been attending many events, and most of them are either large enterprise-related CFO events, and many of them are tax consultant events, etc., and so on. Right. So there are very few SME events that I've heard of, and this is one of them which I am attending myself. And I strongly believe that this sort of an event for SMEs industry is very essential for them to spread the awareness. Right. So nobody basically so SME industry is very taken very lightly as and when tax is concerned about, because the complexities involved for SMEs is much lesser as compared to large enterprises. So that is that is probably one of the reasons why this industry is taken lightly. But still, the complexities are complexities, right? So such kind of SME events will definitely help uh, give confidence to SMEs to scale up, and adopt business processes that will help them achieve their business metrics, etc., and so on.